Hello everyone, welcome to Uncode Me. So today we will start what is the syntax of Java, like what is the class, what is the public, and what is the static, void main and all. So let's start what is public. So this is public, this is modifier of the like Java programming language as well as that means access modifier for the you can access visible to all and you can access anywhere any otherwise classes, and as well as this is the class for the blueprint of the object, that means collection of the multiple objects. So in this session we will discuss public static void main and what is the void main. So basically public is the access modifier for the visible to all, and static is the predefined keyword. That means if you have any method, static method, then you can use and you can directly call this function void main, and any user defined function you can directly call without create any object of this class. So if you have a variable and the variable is the known static and as well as the function also known as static, then you have to create an object of this class, and by the help of this object you can call the function and you can access the variable of a values. Okay, so why we use static keyword in the void main function and before the void main function? Because when call this function, entire function and entire program, whole program of Java, then you have to use the static, because if you have used static keyword, then you have you have don't like any object of this class and you can call directly by the JVM, that means Java Virtual Machine. As well as if we're talking about a string square bracket args, that means a string array of this Java programming language. So already I discussed about the system.out.println hello Java program. System.out.print for the predefined function. If you want print any data, any paragraph and any value, then you can use system.out.println. Okay. So some rules of the Java virtual machine, then this is the directly call of the void main function. So in the last video we will discuss about the only what is the Java and why is the use. So we will discuss in the next video what is the Java and where use and what is the application and all. So bye bye, take care.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.